Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can add a nickname on your Facebook profile. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to add a nickname on your Facebook profile, it's actually so easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, I want you to tap the menu. And then go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, next, I want you to tap the See Your About info. And after that, scroll down until you find the Add Other Names option. And once you've found it, just go and tap it. And right here, you can now enter the nickname that you want. And once you're done entering your nickname, you can now check this box in order to display this nickname to your profile just like this. And after that, you can now tap Save to completely save your changes. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, your nickname will now be added to your profile. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.